Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Are you looking for a sweet and refreshing drink that is perfect for a hot summer day? This vermicelli custard drink is a delightful beverage that has a creamy goodness of custard and unique texture of vermicelli with lots of fruits and nuts. It's very rich but super easy to make. Let's see how to do it. First, roast some vermicelli in some ghee. Here I've used thin vermicelli. Once it is roasted for some time, add some full fat milk into it. Boil and cook the vermicelli. Once it gets cooked, add the sweetener. Here I added raw sugar. Instead, you can add condensed milk, jaggery, or any other type of sweetener. Mix it. Then here I'm adding some cooked sago pearls. I really like the chewy texture of the sago pearls in any of the drinks. Now mix some custard powder in some milk and add it to the milk mixture. Mix it continuously and boil it. Once the milk turns slightly thicker, add some cardamom powder for the flavoring. Then our drink is ready. Cool it down completely. Then finally add some cut fresh fruits and some nuts. You can add different type of fruits into this, but avoid using tangy fruits. You can serve this drink chilled as well. It really tastes amazing, very filling and very tasty. So do try out this vermicelli custard fruit drink. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.